Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You are browsing the web, maybe you land a blog you have never seen before, or an article you want to save, or a publication you want to follow. You could copy the link, open Feedly, paste it, and hope it finds the feed. That's several clicks and a lot of friction. What if you could add any site to Feedly with one click, from anywhere on the web? That's exactly what Feedly Mini does. According to Feedly's official documentation, Feedly Mini is a Chrome and Firefox extension that automatically detects the RSS. So basically, what I'm talking about here, they're gonna detect it of the exact same site you are browsing and gives you the option to add it to your Feedly folders in just one click. You can also save articles directly to your browse. So the extension is created and maintained by the Feedly development team. So it's more than official. Trusted way to extend Feedly into your browser. How you gonna access it? Go ahead to the Chrome Web Store, try and look for Feedly Mini, click Add to Chrome. On Firefox, you can go to Firefox add-ons, look for Feedly Mini, add to Firefox, then the extension icon will appear in your browser toolbar. If you are using Opera or Edge, you can also try going through the Chrome store and download it from there. Now it's time to browse any website that has content you want to follow. Click the Feedly Mini icon in your browser toolbar. The extension automatically detects the site RSS feed, and you can easily click on follow or add to Feedly. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.